All right. So in the small video, it's just a recap of how to install MetaMask and also how to get it back in case you uninstall the MetaMask from your Chrome. So first things first, let's install MetaMask. MetaMask IO. Go to download. Install MetaMask for Chrome. Just gonna take a little bit. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Right, there we are. All right, so then you'll get MetaMask has been added to Chrome. And then get started. This is a throwaway account, so it doesn't really matter. But anyway, go to new MetaMask. Let's set up, create wallet. Say no, it's up to you really. The new password, we can put anything. So I'm gonna put BAM 12, 12, 12. BAM 12, 12, 12. All right. All right. Then select create. All right. Go to next. Your recovery phrase or your master key. Make sure you secure this somewhere safe and make sure to never share with anyone else. You're gonna see this one's here, but this is a throwaway account, throwaway MetaMask account, so won't matter. Click, you'll be able to see it here. So this is really important. Never show this to anyone else. Save it to yourself. Copy, put it somewhere safe. Then go to next. Actually, do a screenshot of this. Okay. Because we're gonna need it right away. Next, network matter. All right, so then we've confirmed our secret phrase. All done. We've created our MetaMask account. Now we can use this as like a single sign-on. So let's say we want to go to Sandbox and make an account there so we can create some NFTs or models or just create an account with them. We would go to log out if we're already logged in. Go to sign in, MetaMask. Say yes, next, connect. So it'll sign you in. It does require that you have your own email, so remember that and your nickname, and then continue. And that's all you really need to create your Sandbox account using MetaMask. Yeah. And then from then on, if you sign in, all you have to do is go to MetaMask right here, go to Sandbox, sign in with MetaMask, and that's all. Let's go to Rarible. Okay, see, it's already bringing up the MetaMask notification. So you'll connect. Let's start to use all right. See, you've already created an account using the MetaMask account that you have. All right, and last things last. I've shown you how to create your MetaMask account and being able to log into different sites that use MetaMask. Let's recover this. So account details. So all this stuff is important, but you don't really need it. Like I said before, always put this somewhere safe, your passphrase. This is what will allow you to recover your MetaMask account, or at least the one you created, in case something happens, Chrome fails for whatever reason. So uninstall Chrome, uninstall MetaMask from Chrome. Nope, remove. All right, there we are. And so now we can reinstall MetaMask. All right, install MetaMask, add to Chrome, add extension. All right, there. And now we can get started again. All right, but this time around, we're gonna import wallet, and no thanks. So you're gonna just copy and paste that here. And I think we actually have to do it by typing. All right, let's take a few minutes. All right, there we've put back in the keyword, new password, be whatever you want it. So I'm just gonna put like ban 12 12 12. All right, and then import. Right there, and so there you're able to recover your MetaMask account. And so if you created your your sandbox or your Rarible accounts, you're able to get them back through this as well. So yeah, hope that helps, and best of luck. Again, this is the throwaway account. I'm going to delete this and it's not going to be usable, but if you want to use it, just be careful because someone else might use this. All right, have a good day and best of luck.